All right, I have some book mail from HarperCollins, Houghton Mifflin Harcourt, and I think this is some marketing copies of my next book, A True Wonder. So Chloe, who apparently is finding something quite tasty on my leg because she keeps licking me, Chloe and I are going to open the box and see what's inside. All right, this is the first time I have seen finished copies of this book. Oh, Chloe is very excited, right, Chloe? All right, here it is. A True Wonder, coming out in September, illustrated by Katy Wu from Clarion Books. Oh, it's so exciting. I love the back flap with her tiara and her lasso of truth and her cuffs. And I love this because Katy even did she did cartoon versions of us for the jacket flap. So I'll just kind of do a little flip through. I'll do some more videos of the book later, but you can see the book, and it's got this picture of my sister and I in the back in our underoos when we used to play Wonder Woman. Very exciting. So anyway, coming at the end of September, this will be on bookshelves, and this is just a little sneak peek.